The first feature to know about is the shutdown switch, SDS, which enables the parent to shut down all controls on their child's phone and return it to 100% normal operation, whether inside or outside a geofence. To activate the SDS, go to the Family Controls tab of the parent's phone. When activated, the shutdown switch toggle will show as green. The SDS functions take an average of 30 to 45 seconds to disable or restore controls over all geofences. The second added feature is the ability to receive geofence arrival and departure alerts. On the Settings tab of the parent's phone, parents may select arrival and departure alerts to be active and inactive. When active, alerts are sent to the parents' phones, notifying them of a child's arrival in or departure from a geofence. The third feature, Everywhere Else, is a location shown on the Locations tab of the child's phone. It has no geofence boundaries. As the name would imply, using Everywhere Else is a way for parents to set controls for all areas outside of their personalized geofences. This feature was designed based on feedback from parents with one primary purpose in mind. Parents were concerned that their teen might leave the house in order to circumvent the established geofence controls around their home, even at night. By establishing controls for the Everywhere Else location, those rules are in place everywhere, whether or not a geofence has been created. Controls for Everywhere Else are set using the same process as described in the Setting Controls within a geofence tutorial by using Add Control and Managing the Time and App Website Controls. The final feature is the ability to control voice calling and texting with a whitelist or a loud list of contacts. Safe Zones provides location-based controls for social media and other distracting apps. To ensure safe communication at all times, these basic communications on your child's phone are strictly controlled by Apple without connection to geofences. To establish a whitelist of contacts who are allowed voice calling or texting contact with your child at certain times of day, use Apple Communication Limits and Downtime in your Apple Family settings. For example, you can limit contacts to parents and key contacts only from 9 p.m. in the evening through 3 p.m. the next day to prevent outside texting or calls during sleep time and school time. These controls are not set within the Safe Zones app. Examples of Apple settings are shown here.